how to delete all chats in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all chats in Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply long press on any chat that you want to delete. And now here from the pop-up menu, you'll see the option labeled as delete. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you have tapped on it, then a pop-up menu will appear. Now here in this section, just tap on delete to confirm your action. And once you've done that, the chat will be deleted from that particular person. And here with that, you can repeat for other chats as well. And this works best if you have a few chats. And that's it. That's how you can delete all chats in Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.